Now example 11. Now example 10. Show that 5 minus root 3 is irrational. So same method we are using. You have to prove this one is irrational. So let us take 5 minus root 3 as is a rational number. So you can write 5 minus root 3 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime numbers. Now when you are taking this one, 5 minus a by b is equal to root 3, you can write. Okay, root 3 you have to take here, and a minus b you have to take here. So when you are taking the LCM, 5 minus a by b, you are getting that is equal to root 3. Now look at here. Here you have to write a and b are co-prime. Now look at here. 5 is a rational number. A is a rational number and b is also a rational number. First one, 5 minus a, subtraction of rational number, dividing a rational number. What you are getting this part, that is 5 minus a by b is rational. Okay, that means what? That means what? Root 3, that is equal to root 3. So root 3 is rational. So but that is a contradiction. We know that root 3 is irrational. That is a contradiction. So root 3 is irrational. So why this contradiction came? Because we took 5 minus root 3 as rational number. So 5 minus root 3 is irrational. Now 11th one. You have to show that 3 root 2 is irrational. Now the same way, 3 root 2 is equal to a by b. You can take, first you have to take 3 root 2 as rational number. So you can write 3 root 2 is equal to a by b. So a and b are prime number, co-prime numbers. Now root 2 will be equal to a by 3b. Here it is multiplication, so when it comes to this side, division it will come. That means what? A by 3b is rational. A by 3b is rational. A is a rational number, b is a rational number, 3 is also rational number. So a by 3b is rational number. That means here root 2 is rational. So which is a contradiction. So why this came? Because we took that so you have to write 3 root 2 is irrational. Now exercise 3.1. You have to prove that root 5 is irrational. Now same way, root 5, you have to suppose that root 5 is rational. If root 5 is rational, you can write root 5 as a by b. where a and b are co-prime numbers. They don't have anything in common. So when you are cross multiplying, b root 5 is equal to a, squaring both sides, what you will get, 5b square is equal to a square. Now look at this one, a square is a multiple of this. You are getting a square is divisible by 5. That means a is divisible by 5, or a is a multiple of 5. So a you can write as 5c, where c is another number. So when you are squaring a square will be equal to 25c square. Put it in this equation. 5b square is equal to 25c square, or b square is equal to 5c square you got. Now again you got b square is equal to 5c square. That means b is also divisible by 5, or b is a multiple of 5. That means that is a contradiction to our assumption that a and b are co-prime numbers. Here you have to write a and b are co-prime numbers. So here also b is divisible by 5. So that is a contradiction. Therefore root 5 is irrational. Now second one, you have to prove 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So 3 plus 2 root 5, let us take that as the rational. So 3 plus 2 root 5, you can write it in the form a by b, or 2 root 5 will be equal to a by b minus 3. Take LCM, that is equal to a minus 3b by b, or root 5 is equal to a minus 3b by 2b, division. Okay, now a is a rational number, b is a rational number, 3 and 2 are rational number. That means a minus 3b by 2b is rational. So that root 5 is rational. That implies that this also rational, but which is a contradiction. Which is a contradiction. So why this contradiction came? Because we wrote that as first one, this one as rational number. Therefore 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Then third one, you have to prove that 1 by root 2 is rational. So let us take 1 by root 2 as a by b, that is rational number. Now root 2 will be equal to b by a. No, cross multiply a root 2 is equal to b, or root 2 is equal to b by a, that is a rational number. b by a is a rational number. So, which means root 2 is rational. That is a contradiction. So, 1 by root 2 is irrational. Now, again 7 root 5. The same way you can do it. 7 root 5. Let us take that one as rational number, or root 5 is equal to a by 7b. That means a by 7b is a rational number, which implies that root 5 is rational, which is a contradiction. So 7 root 5 is irrational. Now 6 plus root 2. So same way you can take a by b, that is 6 plus root 2. Whatever I am telling, you have to write it. So let 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. So root 2 will be equal to a by b minus 6. Take LCM, a minus 6b by b. So a minus 6b by b is rational number. That means root 2 is rational, which is a contradiction. Therefore 6 plus root 2 is irrational. So when you are multiplying a irrational number with rational number, or dividing a irrational number with rational number, or adding a rational number to irrational number, all in this all case, or subtracting the all case, result will be an irrational number itself. Okay.